Hey, are you planning to learn Tally Prime for accounting and taxation purpose? Okay, let's learn more practically and interactively with interactive Tally training by Khata Business Academy. As an instructor, let me introduce you to this course. This is a 15-hour interactive online course which covers 6 different topics on accounting through Tally Prime. Okay, so what are the topics covered? First, you shall learn to download and install Tally in your computer. Second, you will be able to create a company in Tally Prime as well as alter and sort them. Third, you start with creation and alteration of accounting as well as inventory masters. Fourth, you learn to record different financial transactions in Tally Prime like sales, purchases, receipts, etc. Fifth, you shall understand how reports like balance sheet and profit and loss are generated in Tally Prime. And finally, sixth, you will be able to learn additional functions in Tally like manufacturing entry, exporting reports, and so on. Next question. What are the methods that are being used in this course? You need to access our Accounting Fundamentals video to understand accounting basics. Number 2, you need to go through our online video contents for each and every transactions. Number 3, you can use our illustrative ebooks on every topics for clarity and future quick references. And lastly, number 4, only learning is not enough. That's why we use a lot of interactive practice templates for better understanding. Then, who is this course for? This course is the best for management students, business interns, students applying for foreign jobs, accounting professionals, and budding entrepreneurs. Last question, how to enroll in this interactive Tally training? You can enroll directly through our website app.khataacademy.com, or you can also call our representative and book your interactive training. You can use e-Sewa, cash, or bank transfer for payment purposes. For more information regarding our courses, log on to www.khataacademy.com. Start your professional journey.